cockatiel is grooming himself, getting really pretty for you. Yeah, oh my. Oh yeah, you're so good looking. Oh, Mary, would you agree that this is the prettiest cockatiel you've ever seen? Look at that tail. Whoa. Whoa, you're so pretty. Go up here close. That's your baby. That's your baby. Oh, Mary, so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, yeah. And it'll come right out of this cage for you. Yes. Aww. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're such a good. So pretty. You're so pretty. Are you a good birdie? You are? Oh, oh, you baby. Oh, you a birdie. Aww. It's hard to fit him all into the screen. Yeah, you're such a beautiful birdie. Oh my goodness. Oh, Mary, wait until you feel this bird. Oh, so soft. So soft. Softer than a cotton ball. You're so pretty. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. You're my baby. You're my baby. Good. Good. You're a good birdie. I love you. I love you. Oh, such a good bird. Yes, you are. You're pretty. Oh, my good birdie. No, I'm a baby. Yeah. You're my good birdie. You are. Oh, you're a good bird. Are you a good birdie? Oh, Mary. Oh. I love you. I love you. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful, birdie. Oh. Mary's got a good friend here. Sweet, sweet birdie. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh. 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 You're my baby. My breath is tickling him. You're my good birdie. You're so sweet. So Mary has, you got lucky on this one. It's a Lutino, and I'm thinking it's probably a male. Well, I'm not really sure, just the way it stands and the cheek color maybe. Yeah, oh, so pretty. Mary, you got a pretty birdie. Like your baby on my shoulder? And just like most birds, it's crazy about jewelry. They love bling, so you kind of have to watch your earrings and all that. They're jewelry thieves. You're so pretty. This is a real showstopper bird. He's so pretty. You're a pretty baby. Yeah. Okay, Mary. Thank you. Thank you for being one of our customers. We love our birdie people. We're just crazy about them. So, there's a banner, a little page at the end of the video that will give you information on how to get your bird. I don't think we have any of these. This color cockatiel, you'll have to check. Yeah, I think this is our only one, but you'll have to check. No. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so soft. You're going to be a good pet for Mary, huh? Yeah. Okay, we're out of here, you guys. And remember, we love you. We like you. I like you a lot.